If you have tried to set some type of style, maybe a braid out, maybe a bantu knot out, maybe some rollers, and you've used gel or styling cream or something that's taken forever to dry, I have a treat for you today because we are talking about styling foams. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the Hair Doula, and today we are talking about styling foams, which are probably an underutilized resource in the natural hair community, I feel like. I know I did not used to use them much at all, and I'm starting to use them more now that I know what their function is. My only reference for using styling foams came from when my hair was relaxed, and they used to use it for like roller sets in my hair, which is a way to use styling foams, but that was when my hair was relaxed, so I didn't think anything of it. So today we're gonna go into when it might be best for you to use a styling foam for your hairstyle, for your natural hair, darling. So styling foams can really be used to set like anything. They could be used for wash and goes. They could be used for twist outs, braid outs, bantu knots, roller sets. Styling foams dry a lot more quickly than say a cream would, and so that is one major benefit of using them. Any style that you are creating that requires you to go from wet hair to dry hair, styling foam will work for. With that being said, styling foams are often heat activated, which means if you are using a styling foam, it really is crucial for you to sit under a hooded dryer. Again, I know that I talk about hooded dryers, a lot of people don't have them. It's worth the investment. I paid like $100 for mine. You can find one on Amazon for like $100. Ask for a birthday gift, Christmas present, something, because I love you. Because I love you gift. Hey babe, for Valentine's Day, can you give me a hooded dryer? I want this one. I don't know. Just ask for it. Somebody will give you some money towards it, or you can pull it from somewhere. Stop spending money on products and save it and buy a hooded dryer. It's that important. Like it will change your natural hair experience. It will change your natural hair life, okay? But anyways, off of my tangent, off my little soapbox. If you are using a styling foam, it's very, very important for you to heat set it with ideally a hooded dryer, okay? Once the styling foam is dry, it's going to hold your hair way better than something like a gel would hold it, because it's made for you to set your hair and then to be able to manipulate it afterwards. Whereas again, if you're using a gel, you have to set it and leave it. If you manipulate it, then the gel's gonna fail, okay? So if it's something where you wanna fluff it out, make it big, separate it, do all kind, maybe use that as a base and then style it in something else while keeping your definition, then a foam is the way to go, okay? And then like I said, foams dry really quickly. So if you're sitting under the dryer, I did a wash and go with a foam once. I sat under that dryer for like 15 minutes. Not even, I wanna say. I was like, is my hair dry already? It dries fast, okay? Especially in comparison to something like a butter or a gel. And that's why I recommend styling foams for something like bantu knots that really will take forever to dry, like in a sandlot. Forever. That's that's you waiting on your bantu knots to dry when you used cream. I mean, once it dries, it would be bomb though, if it ever did. Okay, product recommendations. Styling foams to use that are recommended by curl specialists. Design Essentials Natural Curl Enhancing Mousse is one that comes recommended. The Dew Mousse Def. I love the Dew, okay? If you have not noticed already, just their branding, okay? It speaks to me. Does it speak to you? I don't know, let me know down below if it speaks to you. The colors, the fonts, the names of the products, I just love them. Anyways, also Miele Organics Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Mousse. That is a whole mouthful. I had to write it down on a sticky note. Anyways, those are products that come recommended. So try those out. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know, have you ever used a styling foam before? Do you plan on trying it out in your hair routine? Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share this with someone whose life you want to make easier. And if you have not already, go ahead and click the subscribe button if you want to see more from yours truly. I really appreciate y'all watching and interacting with my content. So thank you for being here. Thank you for helping to make this a safe space, a space where others also can grow and learn. We can grow and learn from each other because I'm growing and learning from y'all as well. So thank you for playing your part in that. I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me. I'm really excited to keep making content for y'all. So I will see you soon. Again, my name is Dasha. I'm also known as the Hair Doula, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.